Good morning to all of you. Video number 1385. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Today we are going to discuss regarding the diminution in the pecuniary jurisdiction of the Consumer Protection Act 2019. Friends, you are all well aware that 2019 Act of the Consumer Protection, it has enhanced the pecuniary jurisdiction of the district, state and national commissions. And the enhancement is like this, and now there is a reduction. When previously the District Consumers Dispute Redressal Commission was authorized to take up the pecuniary jurisdiction up to 1 crore rupees. Previously it was only 25 lakhs, now it has enhanced to 1 crore rupees. So I don't want to get you confused. 2019 Act says the pecuniary jurisdiction of a district court or district commission is 1 crore. Now an amendment has come. This amendment, please remember, basing on the rules, the central government notified consumer protection within bracket jurisdiction of the district, state and national commissions rules 2021. So using the provisions or other powers under section 34, section 47 clause 1 subclause A and also section 58. Section 58 read with section 101 of the Consumer Protection Act, the central government has lessened the so-called pecuniary jurisdiction. Now this 1 crore has come back to 50 lakhs. Now the district forum, or normally we call it a district forum, it can take up cases where the value of the property or the value of the services does not exceed 50 lakhs. Second point, state commission. Previously it was from 1 crore to 10 crores. Now it has been reduced from 50 lakhs to 2 crores. That's all. Of course, national commission after 2 crores to any extent. So there is no limit for it. So previously it was from 10 crores to anything. Now it is from 2 crores to anything. National commission can take up. So this is reduction. Why this has come? This is also we have to know. Why? Because due to the 2019 jurisdiction, now the cases which have to be filed in the state commission are being filed in the district commission because 1 crore value. Now the cases which are supposed to be filed in the state commission are filed in the national commission are filed in the state commission, with as a result of which the pendency has become very heavy, right? So it has caused a significant rise in the workload, and definitely there is a innominate delay in the disposal of the cases. It has become a hardship for the consumer protection councils. This is one point. Second point is, you may be knowing, the members or the chairperson are not in existence in so many courts. For example, in Andhra Pradesh, they introduced to the post of the so-called chairperson of the district commission, national commission and district commission and state commission members. So they have been conducted about 2 or 3 months back, but still there is no result. We do not know when the results will be declared, when the new people will have to take charge. For example, there is a district forum in Ongole. For this, the in-charge, retired ADJ, Mr. Ismail, who is presently the chairperson of Consumer Forum in Nellore, he is coming and taking up cases only 2 days in a week, maybe on Tuesday and Wednesday, like that. Even the members are also not there. So this is the problem. This is one problem. Added to this, delay in disposal because of the heavy workload. So taking into consideration of all these things, the central government has reduced the pecuniary jurisdiction of the courts in the manner we have already stated. So now the district forum can take up cases up to 50 lakhs, state from 50 to crores, and center 2 crores and above. So hope this will reduce the pendency, and let us hope some good judgments in the consumer area will come into existence. 2019 Act is a very good act, and we have to appreciate the government in taking efforts, because section 16 is the most important. The collector can regulate the prices, right? So we'll discuss in detail about the Consumer Protection Act and when the time comes. For the present, I want to tell you that this is the reduction in the pecuniary jurisdiction of the court. Normally, enhancement will be there. This is a reverse trend. Anyway, let us hope and let us see what will happen. Thank you very much.